Welcome to electronicsforyou.com's DIY project videos.
Is a proof of concept of the DIY project Getting Time from NTP Server Made Easy, which is published on electronicsforyou.com. You will get to see the project working in action. Seeing that this project works would give you the confidence to invest your time and energy in developing it. Let me explain key parts of the project that you will learn more about while working on it. The network time protocol is used here as a real-time clock chip. ESP8266 node MCU has access to the internet, so the day and precise time is seen within a few milliseconds of coordinated universal time for free. The components we need here are a 7805 IC, 1N4007 diode, 230-volt secondary transformer, LCD, resistors and capacitors.
Interested in making this DIY project? Refer to the URL below for the complete circuit diagram and detailed project overview. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such DIY proof of concept videos. Thank you.